All right, guys, weekly stimulus for the first week of December, December 1st. This is Monday. Monday is max rounds or reps. It's a 36-minute AMRAP. However, you'll work for 1 minute, you'll rest for 1 minute. You'll pick up where you left off, okay? It's 7 hang power cleans. It's 5 thrusters. It's 3 wall walks. You'll do as much of that as you can in 1 minute. Clock will beep, and then you'll rest. Coaches, with the wall walk situation and the barbells, I do suggest breaking the groups up in half. Have half the group work on odd minutes and the other half work on even minutes, and you'll, excuse me, you should be fine on space, okay? Tuesday is week 6 of bench press. So we're looking to start, we're going up in reps now, right? So we're looking to start right around 65%. Or the weight you did for week 3, if you remember that. If not, again, just play it by ear, all right? You should not be failing. We should be building confidence in the reps. You have strict pull-ups in between. It's 4 sets, so you'll do them in between every set of the bench press, okay? All right, after that, guys, you're going to have to move the benches out of the way. You get a 5-minute setup portion. This is an AMRAP. So understand how this works. It's 3 chest-to-bar pull-ups, 21 double unders, 15 wall ball. 6 chest-to-bar, 21-15. 9 chest-to-bar, 21-15. So after you do that final round of 9, 21, 15, you go back to the top and you do it again, all right, until you get to the 13-minute mark, all right? Substitute pull-ups for, substitute chest-to-bar for regular pull-ups or jumping, all right? And again, you could probably make a little bit of a repetition change. Maybe go ahead and go on the jumping 6, 9, 12. Maybe just, add a couple extra reps there. If not, you'll wind up doing a ton of double unders and wall ball. All right. Wednesday. So Wednesday is a workout called Fortitude. I made a little adjustment on it. So it's a 36-minute EMOM. All right. So basically how it works, it's 3 stations, let's call them. All right. The first one is 15 burpees. The second one is 15, 12 on the row. You have 1 minute to do the 15 burpees. If you know that's a big number for you, pick a number you think you can hit, or do burpees until you get to the 45-second point. Once you get to that point, use that number. Let's say it's 10. Use that number as your target for the rest of the rounds, okay? So basically how it works, it's pretty simple, all right? You'll go ahead and do round 1, burpee, round 2, rower, or you'll flip-flop that if you have a large class. And then round 3 is, or minute 3 is the rest, okay? So minute 1, 15 burpee or whatever your number is, or 45 seconds of work, 15, 12 on the rower, and then interval 3 is always a rest break. So something you got to understand about this too is if there is a little bit of an issue, you should be getting the work done in right around 50 seconds. Coaches, if there is a little bit of an issue with a big class where you're getting people in and out of the rowers and it's just taking a little extra time, that second group of people in the rowers, all right, you can give them a little grace period there to just, maybe make sure they get the ample or the appropriate time to get the reps in, because the rest break is next. So even if they rolled over an extra 10 seconds, it's not going to be the end of the world, all right? But as long as they're hitting consistent, it's not, it's not set up for them to just go over the time limit, all right? Again, if they have an issue getting in and out of the rower because they're sharing, then give them a little bit of a grace period there, all right? That's Wednesday. Thursday is deadlift. Again, 5x7. Pull-ups are done in between, 65%, or week 3 weight, or go by feel. You'll do an open tester workout. That's a 12-minute AMRAP. It's a ladder, 2 total bar, 2 clean and jerk, 4 total bar, 4 clean and jerk. You'll climb by 2. You'll go for 12 minutes. Okay, open coming up, and that's a format you are likely to see. All right. Friday, long Metcon, row 20. That's guys and girls. All right, girls will get a discount on the bike. All right, 20-15 on the bike, 20 dumbbell snatches, 20 box jump overs. It's 5 rounds for time, It's a sneaky amount of volume. Again, even if it takes you, I think it's going to take somewhere between 2.5 to 3 minutes just to get the machine work done. All right, let alone the burp, the box jump. All right, and the dumbbell snatch. I also suggest picking a weight on the dumbbell snatch that you can move nice and steady through. Should be unbroken, ideally. Again, you can break up the reps, but you want to minimize the amount of time you're breaking on the box jump and the dumbbell snatch so you can get into the machines. Guys with large classes, split the group in half. Have half on the row going down. Have the second half on the bike going up. All right? Saturday. Saturday is 4 time, okay? It's essentially a running clock. Everybody will be on their own clock. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. You'll do 1 round of DT. All right? After you do 1 round of DT, you'll rest 1 minute. So just look up at the clock. Let's say it took you 1 minute and 15 seconds. All right? You'll start at the 2 minute and 15 seconds, and you'll do 2 rounds of DT. Then you'll go ahead and take a 1 minute rest. Then you'll do 3 rounds of DT. You'll take a 2 minute break. And then you'll go into 4 rounds of JL. All right? After that, you'll rest 1 minute. Then you'll go into 5 rounds of JL. Rest 1 minute. Then you'll go into 6 rounds of JL time. Okay? All right, so DT is 12, 9, 6. 12 deadlift, 9 hang power clean, 6 shoulder to overhead. Okay? JL is 1 burpee bar muscle up. That means you do a burpee, then you jump up and do your muscle up. All right? If you're not doing muscle up, you'll do 3 burpee pull up. All right? Where you jump up, pull your chin up above the bar. All right? We did a version of this in open a few years ago where we had shuttle runs and burpee pull ups. So this is one where you can jump up with a bent arm. It's totally fine, and pull your chin above the bar. You'll do 3 front squats. Squat cleaning rep number 1 is okay for rep number 1, and then 15 double unders, okay? So you do 4 rounds of that, rest a minute. Then into 5, then into 6. So it's real simple, all right? The repetitions, the rounds climb from DT into JL. Sunday is 4 rounds of 30 on, 30 off, all right? And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and shuffle through 7 different movements: ski, bike, row, sled push, handstand push-up or wall walk, double under, and bench hop. That is your workout for the week. Good talk.